Hello students, I hope you are well at your home. We are doing chapter number 2 of class 10 science, that is acids, bases and salts. Today's video is in continuation with part 1 video that we have done on the same chapter. We were doing chemical properties of acids, bases and salts. Today we'll start with the third property, that is reaction of metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. So in this topic, first of all we have activity 2.5. In that activity, we'll take a clamp stand and a test tube A. Since this reaction is between metal carbonates with acids and another one metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. So we'll take another clamp stand, another test tube. Okay. So going on with this one first. This is a test tube. In this we have taken 0.5 gram of sodium carbonate. This is sodium carbonate, that is a metal carbonate. Okay. And in test tube B, what we have taken 0.5 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate, okay, or sodium bicarbonate. So to this we are going to add acid, okay, because reaction is with acid. So we'll add dilute HCl over here also. 2 ml of HCl is sufficient. Over here also 2 ml of dilute HCl you're going to add over here. Fine. Now when this thing is added, you will observe something. What we are going to observe over here is we will observe effervescence over there. Means bubbles and all formation will be there. Okay, there will be some hissing sound, bubbles will be formed. During this, when these two things get mixed together. Here also same observation, here also same observation. So this is the first observation that we are going to observe in this activity. This is same activity 2.5. Now next thing what you will be observing over here is, for that observation, what you have to do, when you have mixed this thing, you will take another test tube. Okay. You will take another test tube. Through delivery tube, you will pass out whatever is coming from this test tube. Okay, these two things are reacting. हमें effervescence दिखी, bubbles वगैरह दिखी. It means कोई gas is formed. Some gas is being evolved from here. We will allow that gas to pass from here into this test tube. This test tube contains lime water. Lime water. Please keep in mind what is the formula of lime water. It is CaOH whole twice. It's calcium hydroxide. Solution of calcium hydroxide is known as lime water. So you will allow the gas formed over here to pass through delivery tube into this test tube that contains this lime water. Okay. Similarly, here also we'll do the same thing. We observe effervescence. We observe those bubbles. So it means gas was formed. So we'll allow that particular gas to pass through delivery tube into this thing that again contains lime water. It is aqueous solution of again calcium hydroxide. Okay. So what is the second observation in this activity? The observation is you will observe that the water like lime water. It's like water. Whenever you observe it in the initial condition, after passing a gas through this, the lime water is going to change and it will change the color into milky. Same over here. The lime water has turned milky now. Okay. Again I'll repeat. This is the second observation that we're talking right now. The second observation is very, very important. Okay, so I'm going to go into detail on this side. So what I said, so this second observation, okay, first observation was whenever these two things are mixed or these two things are mixed, we observe brisk effervescence. Okay, small bubbles are observed, through effervescence dikhegi. Now second observation is, you have to, when this particular gas is passed from lime water, what happens? So condition A. If you pass that particular gas in limited amount, okay, if you are going to pass this gas into a test tube which contains lime water in a limited amount, what happens at that time? So what that test tube contains? CaOH whole twice. Okay, this test tube contains this calcium hydroxide, that is lime water. When a gas will come, you will observe the gas has turned milky. It has turned the color milky. And it's a general perception when we study chemistry, whenever this lime water turns milky, it means we are having which gas? We are having carbon dioxide gas. So in this condition, we are passing this gas in a very limited amount. It is going to change the color to milky. Now why is that milky color? The milky color is because of the formation of calcium carbonate. Dekho Ca, this one. Then CO2 is there. एक और O यहाँ से आ जाता है, it becomes calcium carbonate. Along with that, what is left? H2 और ये एक O तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे आ गया, एक यहाँ पे आ गया, water. So the lime water has turned milky due to the formation of this calcium कार्बोनेट, देखो एक फॉर्म है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट की, लाइमस्टोन भी एक फॉर्म है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट की, मार्बल भी एक कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट की ही फॉर्म है, ठीक है. सो दीज आर द फॉर्म्स ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. नाउ second condition is when you pass this gas in excess amount, then what you observe. अगर ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस बहुत ज्यादा अमाउंट में पास करी जाए थ्रू दिस टेस्ट ट्यूब थ्रू लाइम वाटर, फिर क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन होगी, क्या वो जो मिल्की लाइम वाटर है वो मिल्की रहता है अगर हम अगेन कंटिन्यूअसली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस पास करते रहते हैं? नो, इट नेवर रिमेन्स मिल्की. द रीजन बीइंग ओवर हियर आई राइट, ये लाइम वाटर हमारे पास टेस्ट ट्यूब में, we are passing carbon dioxide gas but this gas is passed in very excess amount, बहुत ज्यादा पास करते हैं. मतलब अगर हम जैसे यहाँ से पास करेंगे गैस, वो मिल्की हो गया, थोड़ी देर बाद देखोगे वो मिल्की कलर डिसअपेयर हो गया, क्योंकि पहले मिल्की कलर था क्योंकि ये वाला सॉल्ट बना था जो कि इनसॉल्युबल था, इनसॉल्युबल कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट वाज फॉर्म्ड. राइट नाउ यू विल गेट समथिंग सॉल्युबल. यू आर गोइंग टू गेट दिस थिंग ओवर हियर, कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट विच इज सॉल्युबल इन नेचर. तो व्हाट यू विल ऑब्जर्व, तो अगर आप ज्यादा देर तक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस पास करते रहोगे तो वो मिल्की कलर है वो अगेन डिसअपेयर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि पहले वो मिल्की कलर था इनसॉल्युबल कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट के कारण. अब वो इनसॉल्युबल कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट नहीं रहा. व्हाट वी आर हैविंग राइट नाउ, वी आर हैविंग अ सॉल्युबल थिंग, दैट्स व्हाई द मिल्की कलर हैज गॉन. द सॉल्युबल थिंग इज कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट, वी आर हैविंग इट ओवर हियर राइट नाउ. ओके, सो वी आर डन टिल हियर. So are you clear with this activity? Okay, you're done with this activity. Now we'll write the main reaction. So what did you observe? What's the conclusion from this activity? That whenever metal carbonates or hydrogen carbonates they react with acids, जब ये react करते हैं acids के साथ, acids इनको decompose कर देते हैं. Okay, acids उनको decompose कर देते हैं. Just wait, I'll write over here. I'll write a reaction over here now. जो भी acidic, so which metal carbonates I used? Na2CO3. This was a metal carbonate, right? And which was a metal bicarbonate? NaHCO3. These were the carbonates and bicarbonates taken. Bicarbonate means hydrogen carbonate. They were made to react with which acid? Dilute HCl. ठीक है? Then what did I get in this case? I got. So what I mean to say is जब भी ये दोनों चीजें रिएक्ट करेंगी, okay? जब ये दोनों चीजें रिएक्ट करेगी कार्बोनेट एसिड्स के साथ, तो एसिड्स इनको डिकम्पोज कर, इनको तोड़ देते हैं. एंड व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट इज, तो जो इसका जो जस्ट वेट, आई राइट ओवर हियर, देन यू विल गेट इट मोर क्लियरली. सो यू विल गेट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल गेट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. डोंट फॉरगेट दिस थिंग, ओके? यू ऑब्जर्व एफरवेसेंस ओवर दैट मींस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज फॉर्म, water is formed, along with it some salt is formed. I have balance also over here, so it becomes like this. So this has happened, look over here. So calcium carbonate on reacting with acid, this is going to get decomposed. तो जो ये metal है, this metal is going to displace this H from here from acid. तो देखो इसलिए मेटल ने इसको डिस्प्लेस कर दिया, तो फिर Na इसकी जगह पे चला गया. So what you have got salt over here. Along with this we observed effervescence, that is because of CO2, and along with this H2O is formed. For balancing I put 2 over here, 2 molecules of HCl. Now moving on with this one, when you use bicarbonate there is no need to put over here because already H is balanced over here. So again when HCl is there, this gets decomposed, okay? और ये जो मेटल है इसकी जगह ले लेता है H की, so it becomes NaCl along with CO2 and H2O. So metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbon reacts with acid. So what is a general reaction? General reaction क्या चीज होती है? General reaction होती है जब हम ये words में हम लिखते हैं ना main basic equation. These are the examples कि हाँ हमने ये वाला metal carbonate लिया. General reaction is this. ऐसी होती है general reaction. It gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so we are done with this chemical property. I hope you are clear with this property. Okay, what is more important in this property? Which gas comes out when metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with acids? Okay, so which gas was there? Carbon dioxide gas. How will you tell that the particular gas is carbon dioxide? When that gas was passed through lime water, it turned lime water milky. This shows the gas was carbon dioxide. Now I told you it's very important, this portion is very important. When carbon dioxide gas is passed in a limited amount or when carbon dioxide gas is passed in excess amount. These reactions are important, the reasons are important. Okay, I hope you are clear with this activity. Moving on with the fourth chemical property. So today we'll start with the fourth chemical property, the reaction of acids with bases. What happens when acids reacts with bases? When we started with the chapter, like in previous video, I told you one thing, that whenever what are salts? Salts are formed when acids, they are going to react with bases. So today, now we'll be doing the reaction of acids with bases. So whenever any acid reacts with the base, you get a compound known as salt. Along with this, you get water. So this is our next property. Our fourth property is reaction of acids and bases with each other. So this you have to keep in mind. Whenever they react with each other, you get salt and water, right? So what is the name of this reaction? This is a general reaction. मैंने एक general reaction लिख दी है यहाँ पे. Okay, I have not used any particular. मैंने कोई acid अभी use नहीं है, कोई base use किया. मैंने एक general reaction use करी है. Okay, this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. This is neutralization reaction. Okay, are you clear? I hope you are clearly here. Now we'll do this reaction with an example. There's an activity also. We'll go with the activity first. So this activity, generally what happens in this activity, you have to take a clamp stand again. You will use a burette. See, burette word is new for you. This you will be able to see in labs. So over here I have kept a conical flask. This is just a rough diagram that I have drawn. So what happens in this conical flask? This is a very interesting experiment actually. So what do we do over here? In this conical flask, first of all, we'll take some amount of any base. For example, I have taken base NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, base I have added sodium hydroxide. To this base, I am going to add an indicator, that is phenolphthalein. So this indicator I have added. You very well know this thing. Whenever phenolphthalein comes in contact with the base, what happens to the color of phenolphthalein? From colorless, it changes to light pink color. Okay, then you will observe that the color of this conical flask solution is light pink now. अब अगर आप धीरे धीरे यहाँ से drop by drop through this burette, okay, this apparatus you will see in lab, okay, if through this burette you are going to add acid HCl, okay, drop by drop आएगा. आप देखोगे थोड़ी देर के बाद, थोड़े ड्रॉप्स के बाद ये पिंक कलर डिसअपेयर हो जाएगा. पिंक कलर डिसअपेयर हो गया. Now what's the reason behind that? Why it disappeared? The pink color disappeared क्योंकि phenolphthalein ने लाइट पिंक कलर क्यों शो किया था? क्योंकि NaOH क्या है? बेस है, अल्कलाइन नेचर था. तो जैसे एसिड आया, आपको पता है कि एसिड बेसिस के नेचर को कट करते हैं एक दूसरे को, दे कैंसिल ईच अदर्स इफेक्ट. तो वो उसमें बेसिक नेचर खत्म हो गया. दैट्स व्हाई phenolphthalein अगेन टर्न कलरलेस. तो इसमें अभी कलर नहीं दिख रहा. अगर हम इसमें फिर उसके बाद दोबारा से ड्रॉप्स डाल देंगे NaOH की, will you be able to see phenolphthalein light pink color again? Yes, क्योंकि फिर क्या होगा, फिर NaOH ने इसकी पावर को कम कर दिया, एसिड की पावर को कम कर दिया. Again the color will reappear. Again if you are going to add HCl drops, फिर उसके बाद फिर आप ड्रॉप्स डालोगे HCl की, आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think? The color will remain pale light pink or again it will disappear? It will disappear. क्योंकि फिर एसिड ने आके इसके नेचर को कम कर दिया, इसके इफेक्ट को कैंसिल आउट कर दिया. So this is neutralization reaction. Okay, what does this conclude for? What do we conclude from here? That they cancel out each other's effect. This is neutralization reaction. This much only is there in this property, that acids they react with bases to give salt and water. But over here I am going to write example of this general reaction. Any acid you take. So what is this acid? HCl I have taken. So acid is HCl. You reacted with the base. Which base we have taken? NaOH. So what do you get from this activity? You get a salt. You very well know salt is a compound that is formed from acid and bases. But acid का हम कौन सा आयन लेते हैं? Negative ion. We take anion from acid. और बेस का क्या कौन सा वाला आयन लेते हैं? जो पॉजिटिव वाला होता है, जो कटायन होता है. तो ये वाला सॉल्ट बन जाता है. NaCl along with this water is being produced. So we are done with this property as well. Now moving on with the next chemical property, that is reaction of acid with metallic oxides. So now metallic oxides are going to react over here. So our next property is reaction of acid with metallic oxide. So in this case also what we observe, whenever acids they react with metallic oxides, they again form salt and water. So we'll move with the next activity. In a beaker, this activity is all about this thing. In a beaker you will just have to take copper oxide. What are you going to take in a beaker? Copper oxide. It is actually black in color. Okay, हमने यहाँ पे copper oxide का solution ले लिया. Okay, it's black in color. To this copper oxide, we are going to add dilute HCl solution. So which acid we have taken? Dilute HCl. So after some time you will observe that the color is no longer black. The color has changed to blue-green. Now why the color is blue-green? The color is blue-green because now no longer copper oxide exists. अभी copper oxide नहीं है वहाँ पे because we are having copper chloride there. वो blue-green color जो हम थोड़ी देर बाद यहाँ पे दिखता है, it means these two things they have reacted. Okay. So which acid we have taken? HCl. Which metallic oxide is there? Copper oxide. So what happens in this case? For balancing I am writing over here. We get a blue-green color after some time. It is because of copper chloride. CuCl or ये 2. What is left now? H2O. Water is left. So this blue-green color is because of this thing, salt. Now you notice one thing. जब हमने एसिड को बेस के साथ रिएक्ट कराया था तब भी हमारे पास सॉल्ट और वाटर था. Now acid is reacting with metallic oxide, again we're getting salt and water. It means this metallic oxide has the nature of a base. So metallic oxide is basic in nature. This you have to learn that metallic oxides are basic in nature. Okay, I hope you are clear till here. Again this thing, it again has happened. This copper oxide has taken the place of this H and it has come over this place, right? Are you clear till here? So moving on with the next last property of today. In this property, last property, this is also very simple. I hope you are getting the topics today because these are very simple. Please keep the observations in your mind whenever you go for any activity. Reactions are very important. General reactions बस ये वाली reactions होती है जो ऊपर होती है, जो basic सी reaction जिसके through कुछ different हम ले सकते हैं. Now next property is reaction of. Next property is reaction of base with non-metallic oxide. So this is the last property for today, last chemical property, the reaction of a non-metallic oxide with the base. Now in this case, we won't be doing particularly, no activities mentioned over here, but example that you will do, you already have done that.